ISD families. I hope you're well and that all of you are having a great start to this new school year that I know will be amazing. We would like to share with you a construction update on Flores Elementary, Kika de la Garza Elementary, and Benavides Elementary. We're excited about the renovations these campuses are undergoing to ensure our students and teachers have the appropriate resources they need to ensure we provide a safe learning and working environment for all students. These three campuses are currently going through roof and interior renovations due to damages that were brought by Hurricane Hannah in the summer of 2020. These renovations will enhance each campus to ensure these buildings are adequate to safely house our students at Flores Elementary, Kika de la Garza Elementary, and Benavides Elementary. La Joya ISD worked collectively and strategically to ensure we temporarily housed these students and staff safely at their neighboring sister elementary campuses to avoid as many inconveniences to parents as we possibly could. We understand that having two schools combined brings concern to us, especially with the COVID-19 pandemic we continue to fight. Even with these two campuses sharing a building, the number of students and staff in each school is still within the capacity each of these schools was built for. These campuses were provided additional support to ensure we continue to follow all COVID-19 guidelines and protocols as required by the Texas Education Agency to guarantee a safe environment for all students and staff. We have completion dates for these three campuses as follows. Flores Elementary, completion date will be January 14, 2022. Benavides Elementary, completion date will be January 23rd, 2022. Kika de la Garza Elementary, completion date will be February 11th, 2022. Please know that it is our full intention to meet the above dates. As with any construction project, there may be additional delays, but we will communicate delays to you if any. We believe it is critical to be very transparent and clear in our communication about our construction updates. Should you have any questions about these construction projects, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to serve you. We're excited for the renovations that will be made to enhance these campuses, and we cannot wait for our students to return to their home campus. The health, safety, and well-being of our students, employees, and community remain the highest priority for La Joya ISD. Thank you for your continued support in our efforts to provide the best learning and working environment for our students and staff. At La Joya ISD, we prepare students to shine bright towards success.